In this video, you'll learn how to change the currency in Google Ads in just a few minutes, so you can manage your campaigns with the right billing setup for your business. First, open your browser and go to ads.google.com. Sign into your Google Ads account, and once you're inside, click on the Tools and Settings icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. Next, under the Billing section, click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the financial information related to your Google Ads account, including your current currency, billing country, and payment methods. Now, here's the catch. Google Ads doesn't let you change the currency of an existing account. The currency is permanently set when you create your account, so you'll need to create a new account to change it. After that, sign out of your current account and click Create Account on the Google Ads homepage. During setup, choose your country and the currency you want to use, since this determines all your future billing. Once your new account is created, transfer your campaigns and settings manually if needed. Make sure to update your payment methods, and you're ready to run ads with the correct currency for your business. And that's it. You now know how to change the currency in Google Ads and manage your billing with confidence.